Hello, so today I would like to show you how to create photos, videos by CapCut application. So just like usual, open the new tab, and then since we want to make a video from pictures, just please go to photos sections and choose which picture you want to include it into the video, and then click add. And now we are on the project sections. So the picture in this project, you can edit all of the pictures, but before you editing, please make sure that the section is in active mode. Click the picture, and then after it's being active, you can edit anything you want. You can use every button that you have in the below button to make sure that you make all of the picture here is the same, from the size, the color, the length of the video, and don't forget to remove the watermark. And now let's have a try. And now your pictures become video. So that's all. Thank you for watching.